Wagwan family. So yeah, we have we on day what we are there day 3 now. Yeah, day 3 we're there now, and we're about to hit this Korean barbecue place called Master Kim Korean Barbecue. You know, one of the places that I saw online there when I was doing some research about places to hit in Vegas where have some good food. So this is one where, you know, kind of looked a little bit interesting. Has a unique feature that I want to show to you guys there when we get in. You know, how they get the food to you and such. And some nice dishes that I really want to try. You know, I'm a beef chicken guy, so you know we're gonna definitely enjoy this one. Okay, so I'm gonna take you along, show you guys how it look, and I hope you guys enjoy. See? Stay tuned. Alright family, so we're here at the table, and you know, we got some of the side stuff out the way here, so we're just waiting on the meat to come through, and we can kind of start devouring and, you know, make you guys see what's going on. So you know what we have here, we have some salad. I think they call this thing bimbap, something like that. Then we have the cheese corn, have some spicy tofu here, and then some side elements, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we just wait for the meat to come through so we can start get jumping, you see me? What we have to do is grill up everything on this little grill right here when the meat comes in. So it comes in raw, we're gonna grill it up here, you see me? So stay tuned. Alright family, so right here what we have is a little food conveyor belt system. So what happens is that little tray right there, the people put the food on top of that. Has a little you know, flag on the tip of it right there. So it'll come all the way down to your table. If the flag is pointing towards your table, that means it's your, you know, it's your food. So you gotta just grab it, take it off, put it on your table, and start grilling. It's that easy. so we have some of the brisket here cooked up. I'm gonna try some of it here. Oh, it's so good, man. So the bing bop, bim bop, bim bop, bim bop, bim. Then I'm gonna try some of the cheese. So the cheese corn. Everything tastes excellent. I go and finish grill up some more. I'll show you what I've got. Alright family, so we have some of the beef belly here. And then we have some of the New York strip. And so the fatty pig. Oh man. You know, only add a little salt and pepper on this. Perfect. So the beef belly. Oh, yo, you guys gotta try this place, man. Something's on food. Yo, let me alone a little bit, let me have some alone time. Check out. Alright family, so we're winding down here, dip on the second round, so we'll just try kind of finish it and call it for the video, you see me? So we have here is a little steamed egg. Looking right, tastes really good. And then we have some teriyaki chicken and some like spicy chicken thing over here with some onions. So, what kind of round this up, you know, still? But aside from that, the place was excellent. Definitely give them a 5-star. Sure, service was great. Weather was on point. So, you know, Master Kim, you're doing your job, man. So if you guys in Las Vegas here, definitely check this place out. I'll leave the information in the description, so you can you know where to come link or the location will come. But you know, nothing left to say but definitely remember to subscribe, like and share, you hear me? Alright, one love, more love, righteousness, Mantica BBQ, signing. Why me the chopstick skills not the day yet, so some hunting me a deal, that's it.
Then you learn how to beat them. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous?